working on a Go web application and encountered TMPL files defining the HTML output. These templates power dynamic content generation in Go programs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, edit, and use these Go HTML template files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value TMPL file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A .tmpl file is a template used by the Go programming language's HTML template package to generate dynamic HTML content. Developers use these files to separate presentation logic from application code, embedding placeholders and control structures that are populated with data at runtime to create web pages. This is a text-based file containing standard HTML markup mixed with Go template actions enclosed in. This design allows for context-aware escaping, automatically securing the output against cross-site scripting, XSS attacks. It's parsed by the Go engine, which executes the actions and injects data safely. Windows registers the TMPL file as an opener for Go, Golang, developed by the Go authors, Google. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows cannot run the script instructions, so actual execution depends on a suitable engine. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your TMPL file, then click Open With. Test Go, Golang, if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. If you cannot access the TMPL file, no problem. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the TMPL file. First, editing in VS Code. Open the TMPL file in Visual Studio Code with the Go extension installed, plus a Go template syntax extension such as Go template support. The editor provides syntax highlighting for both HTML and Go template directives, along with code completion and snippet support for common template constructs. Next, viewing in any text editor. Since TMPL files are plain text, any editor including Notepad, Sublime Text, or Vim opens them directly. Configure the editor to treat .tmpl files as HTML for basic syntax coloring. The Go template directives appear as text, but the structure remains readable for inspection and minor edits. Finally, rendering with Go application. TMPL files require execution within a Go application using template parse files to load and template. Execute to render with data. Write a small Go program that parses the template, passes a data structure, and writes output to a file or web response, viewing the final rendered HTML in a browser. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.